Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Will It Shave Wednesday. And you know what? We are still doing the blade comparison or the showdown of the razor blades. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, you know, today I'm thinking I want to use the Cube 2.0 stick. I don't know, it's just calling my name, so let's go ahead and apply it. I was thinking a little bit of menthol may help me out, and it'll definitely help my eyes, because I love it when it starts making my eyes water. Well, it's Wednesday, and that means we are halfway through the work week. Today's shave soap is going to be by Shannons Soaps, and this is coconut lime. And this is a very simple scent. It is coconut and lime, and it is just the perfect combination. One is not too strong and one is not too weak. I do have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I'm using my Stirling brush that was originally a Boar knot, and I converted it over, I think I've said this before, to a Boar, or it is a Badger and Boar combo. It's 70% Badger, 30% Boar, and it has no problem whipping up the lather. It has that perfect, how do I say it? It's just tipping on the line of super soft, but yet has a little bit of backbone, and I love it. I love it. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I do like a little bit of stiffness in my brush, but I do like the softness as well, and so it's riding that fine line there. It's enjoyable. Okay, so today's shootout is going to be between the Wilkinson swords. Have you seen the Wilkinson sword from Germany versus the Wilkinson sword saloon pack from India? And these do look similar to each other. Here is the packaging. This one actually has a number right here on it, to where this one doesn't. This one has black lettering. This one is blue. And so we're going to do a shave off with that. I have those loaded up already in two matching Gamechanger 0.84 solid bars. And you know what? My wife is getting really good at loading blades, and maybe that's going to get her closer to wet shaving. I did have her do a lather one time before on a shave off, and she did a pretty good job for her first time, but she needs a little bit of work. Okay, here we go. First blade. I forgot to put here real quick, these are the blades that I'm getting ready to shave with. I don't know, but I'm going to find out which one I like better. So here we go. Okay, it's cutting. It feels smooth. It feels sharp. It doesn't feel super sharp, but it's definitely taking it down. All right, so I rinsed that one off, and now I have this one. I don't know what it is. All right, here we go. Now this one, I feel, is a little more tuggy. There was a hair on there. Still pretty close. I don't know about this one. It's Should I do this? Should I take both of these and just... This one's definitely tuggier. You know, I have a 50-50 chance at saying what it is. Let me just see here. Okay. I'm going to say this one is the German blade, and this one is the blade from India. Should I just keep them up? I can't, how am I going to take them apart? All right, so I think this one is the German blade. I don't know, but we are going to find out real shortly, because whatever blade it is, I'm not going to continue shaving with it. There it is, the Gillette, or the Wilkinson sword, and this one is definitely the one from Germany. Let me take the other one out just to show you the difference. I don't have my eyes in, so. But here's the other one. Eee, man, who tightened that thing down? Death grip. All right, let's take this one out and see to show you what blade it is. This one actually feels like the tolerance is a little bit tighter on the threads. It's upside down, of course. And you probably can't see all the little hairs, but can you see the difference between them? This one is the Wilkinson sword Gillette from India, and this one's the Wilkinson sword from Germany. And does it say on? Yeah, this one says Gillette. That one doesn't say Gillette on it. So maybe, where did I read that? Huh. Well, anyway, the one from Germany must not be a Gillette Wilkinson sword. It must just be the Gillette, or why am I saying that? Gillette. It must be just the Wilkinson sword blade. Okay, so I'm going to put that back in here, and we're going to finish it up with the Indian Gillette Wilkinson sword blade. If you know more about these blades than I do, comment below and let me know. What do you know about it? How does it feel? Do you like it? Do you hate it? But we do know that this one is going to make it to the next round to compete against another blade. I'm receiving a text message. Let me get that and I'll be right back. Sorry about the interruption. So let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 2. And while we're thinking about the second pass and all this excitement and fun and interruption, I wanted to say that there may be an interruption in my YouTube videos, and I can't really disclose at this time, and I hate to do this to you, but I can't really say what it is for legality reasons. But on Friday morning or Thursday night, if you just happen to think of me and you want to send me some good luck or wishes or prayers, I would appreciate that very much, because I'll be going through some stuff that I can't talk about. But yes, I would greatly appreciate any wishes, hopes, or prayers, or good vibes sent my way. So if you don't see a video on Sunday, you will have an idea. And don't worry, I will be back. But there just may be a brief interruption, and I hope everything goes well and smooth, and then I will not have an interruption. So now that I've teased you and you're wondering all about, I'm sorry, but I wanted to at least, you know, let you know that there's something going on, and it's not anything, you know, it's not a showstopper. Let's say that. All right, well, this blade is definitely right up my alley as far as shave quality, and I do enjoy it, I will say that. So let me just take a look here. I forgot to take, well, I don't have an updated sheet where I put the next blades in there, and I was going to put it there, and the reason I didn't, because I didn't know which blade, and I could edit that out, but let me just look at this real quick. All right, so this is the third set of blades that are going to compete, and so out of the first bracket will be the Gillette Silver Blue, and that's going to face the Derby, because those were the winners from the last 4 blades, and this one is starting the next tier. So there you go. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. All right, well, I forgot the ice cube, so we'll just move on to the Stirling aftershave splash, because I do not have the Shannons coconut and lime. And since we're pouring on the menthol, let's go ahead and grab the frostbite jelly. All right, well, that is the shave for the day, and I will say, because I said it already, thank you for everyone that's been watching. I really appreciate it. And the Gillette Wilkinson sword blade from India won today's showdown. I will have a picture right here of everything that I used, and I hope to see you on Sunday's shave. You have a great rest of your week.